Good morning, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I have called a girl for an interview. This interview is regarding advantages and disadvantages of internet. You know, my dear friends, internet is used by all over the people everywhere in the world. Now, we are going to discuss actually advantages and disadvantages of internet facilities. For this purpose, I have called a girl. Her name is Chamisa Devmini. Good morning, Chamisa.
Good morning, sir.
Right. Now, Chamisa, you know now everywhere people using internet facilities such as social media and YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all these activities. Can you please elaborate very briefly what do you mean by actually internet? Just tell me what do you mean by internet?
First, thanks for calling to interview. Then, internet is a device which works to wires, and it is very important to individuals as well as business and everybody in this world.
Right. Now you told Chamisa, internet is a device working with the net everywhere in the world and all the activities. It is important for a student as well as business people and all community in the society. Now, can you please elaborate, Chamisa, what do you mean by what are the advantages of internet facilities?
There have a lot of advantages. First, communication process. See, my friends, today we can have various social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and many more. As result, we could be able to have link or communication with known people as well as can have good relationship with others. Next, information, knowledge, and learning. Today, internet facilities could be able to use for education purpose as well as to get knowledge, fulfill our different types of requirements. Example, these days, my dear friend, COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. School and college education to be done through online. Thus, this system is important to occupy our both school as well as university education. Next point, selling and making money. Today, worldwide, business activities are done through e-business. So, my dear friends, we could be able to buy what we need by staying our home. On the other hand, it is possible to earn some money by staying home, especially during this COVID-19 situation.
Okay, Chamisa. Now you told what are the advantages. Now then
Yes.
there are advantages. Why then people are talking about why people are thinking about what are disadvantages of internet facilities? Can you please tell us internet disadvantages?
Yes, there have a lot of disadvantages. First, waste of time. Most people argue that spending a lot of time using the internet is bad, which lead to obesity in young generation. In the contemporary world, people also say that internet is necessary for life and life will be easier without it. Next, spam and advertising. The internet is the best place to advertise any service or product compared to traditional advertising method. Example, TV, newspaper, radio. But you might see more spam in your inbox than junk mail in real life because digital advertising can be sent on a massive voice. Next, last point, health issue and obesity. If you are suffering the internet frequently, playing game, watch video, see photos, and spending too much on the computer, it can also lead obesity an unhealthy lifestyle. Also, person who spend too much on the computer can face eye problem. There I have a lot of problem as a computer requires a lot of repetitive movement.
Right. Chamisa, you told what do you mean by internet and what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages. Now I'm going to ask a different question from you. Do you think that there are any impact for the economic activities? What kind of impacts do you have for economic activities due to these internet facilities? Can you please elaborate what are the economic impact for internet?
Economic growth. Today, internet is an important aspect for economic development because with the help of internet business community, do their business such as e-business, banking, insurance, education, and doctor channeling. All these activities have contributed a lot of the economy. So therefore, I would like to tell that internet having a lot of positive impact to the economy.
Right. Now you are telling there are some various economic impact due to this internet facilities. Now, can you please elaborate very briefly? My last question. Do you have any cultural impact for this internet activities? Please tell me what are the cultural impact for economic internet facilities?
Cultural impact due to the internet various discussed such as overweight, blood pressure, or impact to the education activities of school children. Sometimes it is possible to argue that people use browsing without going to religious places or looking after or visiting to see their parents may ignore. Thus, I would like to tell that internet having a direct impact the cultural negatively.
Right. Okay, my dear friends, you have listened now Chamisa Devmani's speech about advantages and what you mean by internet and what are the disadvantages, how this will affect to economy and what are the cultural impact. Now, I am going to wind up the interview. So therefore, I am telling, thank you very much for attending for the studio regarding this interview. Ayubowan Chamisa. Okay, now we'll meet some other day. Now, you know, my dear friends, you have listened today what are the advantages and disadvantages of internet using and how this will affect to cultural impact. Now, that's all for the interview. Until we meet next time, my dear friends, take care. Bye. And until we meet the next time, I will tell you thank you very much for listening our interview.